Hi everyone, welcome to our channel organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and very inexpensive and make it so elegant. So today I'm actually taking down all my Christmas decorations. I am so excited because I really look forward to putting up the Christmas decorations, but I also look forward to taking it down as soon the day or two after Christmas. So here we go, 2 days after Christmas, and almost everything will be done by the end of the day. So this is 2 days after Christmas, and I just got back from the gym and I'm getting ready to clean and organize this kitchen, take everything down that has any look of Christmas, and make sure that our kitchen is back to square one. This was the first place I decorated right before Thanksgiving. I decorated everything. I love to do decorations for Christmas right at Thanksgiving or a little before, and then the day after Christmas, I'm ready to get everything down and start all over again. So here we are in the kitchen, the first place I started to decorate, and the first place I'll take everything down and start all over. Now I'm going to be doing the pantry as well. I did wash these jars yesterday, and so they're all ready to be put back into the pantry, organize that pantry so that things look as fresh in the springtime as I'd love to see this place back again. So let's get started. First on this counter, and organize everything, take everything down, all the Christmas plates, and put the regular plates up and decorate this place all over again. So let's really get started. So in a few minutes, you'll see everything down, and all the springtime decor will be out, getting ready for springtime. So I did say in a few minutes I'd be finished with all the taking down all the Christmas decorations, but it has been exactly 2 hours, and I've just finished taking down all the Christmas decor from the kitchen, the counter areas, and just about everywhere in this kitchen. So let me show you what the kitchen looks like now. It's back to square one. No more Christmas decorations 2 days after Christmas, and I'm so happy. I love to decorate early, but I also love to take it down early. So here we are, back in the kitchen. Just the regular plates that we have on the wall. No more Christmas plates. Even the Christmas candles are out. And everything is all centered around 2020. I still have to do the Christmas tree and a couple of bathrooms downstairs, but that's the extent of it. So we're all set for the new year. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you have taken down your Christmas decorations early, or if you don't, I know there's a reason why, and you probably enjoy keeping them up until the new year. Most people do, I'm sure. So again, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of our family here. And again, I really look forward to seeing you next Friday, that is, in our next video. Take care, goodbye, and of course, Good luck. Of course, I didn't get a chance, I should mention it, to do the pantry, and I still have all the containers here that I washed yesterday, but I will be getting that done later on tonight. But at least I'll have the pantry cleaned for the new year, of course, and the refrigerator all done up for the new year. So I'm just doing one at a time, and hope, as I've said before, that you are having a wonderful, wonderful year. All the best from our home to yours for 2020, and I look forward to seeing you again next Friday in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.